Hey, cleaning business owners. How you guys doing today? I got some more tips for you guys. So, are you sending bids out but never hearing back? If you're struggling to land contracts, chances are you're making one huge mistake and that's costing you big time. So, today I'm going to reveal the number one mistake that's killing your cleaning business and how to fix it fast. If you're ready to stop missing out on contracts, stick with me until the end. You guys, this information is reminding me of some things that I even need to start doing. So, the mistake number one is not following up. I see this all the time. Cleaning business owners send in a bid and just wait. Meanwhile, another company sends a follow up, reminds the client about their bid, answer their questions, and guess what? They get the contract. Why follow up matters? Follow up matters because for one, it's another touch with the client. Because some clients are so busy, they forget. I mean, and then we all know how emails will just push down important stuff. So it shows professionalism and reliability. It keeps your name in front of them. It gives you a chance to handle objectives before they choose someone else. You get a chance to fix something that they was like wondering, should we, because of that, it's an opportunity for you to fix it. Engagement question: have you ever lost a contract because you didn't follow up? Drop a yes in the comments if you ever lost a contract because you didn't follow up. You might not know you lost it because you didn't follow up. So when should you follow up? Okay, so this is best practice timeline. You should follow up within 24 to 48 hours after submitting a bid. A quick check-in to see if they have any questions. 1 week later, you can follow up. A polite reminder and a reason to stay top of mind. 2 weeks later, offer a special incentive or additional value. And then your final check-in could be 3 to 4 weeks later, a last attempt before moving on. So here's an example of a follow-up, which you could say. You can say, hey, client's name, I want to check in on the proposal I sent last week. Do you have any questions or do you need any adjustments? We'd love to take care of your cleaning needs. It's just a simple follow-up script you can use today. If you don't know what to say when following up, here's a simple script that works. All you have to just tell them, remind them that you call them on the phone, remind them that you send a proposal, and you already probably had a phone conversation when you set up the walkthrough. Or you can send an email follow up. And they could say, hi, client's name. I just wanted to follow up on the cleaning proposal we sent over. I know you're busy, but I love to answer any questions you might have. And see, in the Clean Guru app, it has a follow up prompt for you to send follow ups. Actually, the follow up prompt will come up as soon as you submit your proposal. It'll ask you, do you want to follow up? So you can always send that. And you let them know we'll be happy to customize your service to fit your exact needs. Let me know if there's anything we can do to help. Because see, you got to remember, we're help for the buildings. They don't want to have to worry about the safety and health of the building because they hired us. So make it conversational, not pushy. You're here to help, not just sell. And here's a bonus tip: what to do if they haven't responded. Try these tactics. Send a short text or a voicemail, quick and personal. Offer a small incentive. If you sign by Friday, we'll include a free deep clean. Ask for feedback. Is there anything holding you back from choosing us? That was pretty good. So now that you know the one mistake hurting your cleaning business, it's time to take action. Try this follow up strategy today and watch your success rate go up. If you don't have no proposals that you sent yet, this is a good tip. So when you get your first one, you know what to do. Do a follow up. I'll post this information in the description so that you would have the timeline and how you should follow up along with the script. So if this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Do you follow up with your bids? Let's talk about it. I also added my website. I added the Clean Guru app. I added the walkthrough sheet, like I said I would do. So thank you guys. I hope this was of some value to you. I just want to keep pouring out things that I know that you need. So I will talk to you guys on the next video.